Where is he, Maddie? Tell me. Watch out, back up. Back it up. Huh. Look at the birds. See the bird he's eating, Maddie? Whoa! Why? Why is it scary? The birds are eating. We'll have to feed some after school, huh? We'll have to go feed the ducks after school tomorrow? Huh? We'll go feed the ducks after school tomorrow?
No,
The birds? Go feed the birds after school tomorrow? Say hi to the camera, wave. Wave to Daddy. Madelyn. Madelyn, wave to Daddy, look. Tell the birds, no, no. No birds. What, Maddie? Tell him. Tell him, Maddie. No, no. Tell him, no, no. Tell him, no, no. What are they doing? Tell him, Maddie. No, no. God bless.